Or you'd have slept with the wedding planner again.
I told you, she and I never.
이혼을 준비 중인 부부.
See that? Every time he lies, he sneezes.
No, that's not true. I have allergy.
Well, I knew you were sleeping with her.
I am not.
재채기에 내장이 빠져나오고 구급대 도착.
LAFD. Did you recently have any surgery?
He sneezes when he lies.
Not recently. I had my ruptured appendix.
If not, I get the entire state.
Get her out of here. You can have it all. I don't care. I don't care anymore.
또 다시 재채기를 하고
Oh, okay.
He said he never loved me, and then he sneezed. He lied. He really did love me.
남편의 진심에 반성하는 아내.
I'm so sorry.
We're gonna make it work this time.
I never meant for things to get this bad. Maybe we can try again.
I promise I'll never stray again.
다시 잘 되는가 싶은데 야 이씨 이번 건 참았어야지.
A bitch liar.